In this problem, we are given that s of t equals to 20t squared minus 3t cubed. Further, we are given that 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 9. In subpart A, we are asked to find out the velocity when t equals to 3 hours. So the velocity v of t is given by the first derivative of s of t, that is s prime of t. So let us differentiate s with respect to t. We get 20 times the derivative of t squared, which is 2t, minus 3 times the derivative of t cubed, which is 3t squared. So simplifying this, we have 40t minus 9t squared. Next, we substitute the value of t as 3. So we have v of 3 to be equal to 40 times 3 minus 9 times 3 squared. Simplify.